Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading. Is coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive, and we're going to be talking about Xpayments, confirmation of Xpayments, and also some very good news for Dogecoin, some very good news for Bitcoin, and also we're going to be hearing from Larry Fink and see what he thinks about Bitcoin and the future of cryptocurrency. And don't forget, we got a huge announcement coming out soon in around about 16-17 hours. The FOMC rate declines are in the cards, guys. So this is a great time to be alive, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes, show some love, and remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. Go back and watch all the other videos. I would appreciate it. So the big news, what everybody is anticipating is that Jerome Powell will reduce the rates. And if this happens, this will start a feeding frenzy. Crypto should go to the moon, stocks should go to the moon, and everything will be lovely jubbly, guys. So we're very close to that. We did see the NASDAQ was up, S&P was up, Dow was basically neutral out there. So at time recording, remember it's about 9 o'clock here in Vietnam, and it is raining. We got one heck of a typhoon coming, and it's been raining like for 2 days now. So hopefully we'll come out of this unscathed. But we have 15 hours, 54 minutes, and 4 seconds before we get the official announcement of a rate decrease. And this will be the first one in a very long time. If you take a look at the crypto bubbles right now, things are looking pretty good on the daily, looking very good. Everything is in the green. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin is up. Everything is positive, guys. Keep in mind, FOMC meeting, 2 p.m., rate decision, and followed by a press conference. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Right now, the fear and greed is at 45. This is still a good time to be buying, guys. Remember, this is a contouring indicator. And guys, people are fearful. This is, in my opinion, not financial advice. Good time to be buying, guys. So let's take a look at the crypto market. So far, we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is 57%. And Ethereum down was 13. So overall, pretty good. We're up 5.13%. Also, we're seeing that this month, September, is looking pretty good, guys. We're in the positive territory. We're going to dive into that, guys. Keep loving, keep liking, keep subscribing, and don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, YB. It's a great time to be alive. And remember, Ethereum is up. We're seeing BNB is up. Remember, CZ. Our friend, your friend, is out of jail on the 29th, so that's pretty good news. Solana 101 is up. XRP is down. Doge right now is back above 10 cents, so that is pretty good. We have resistance at actually 10.1066, so we need to get past that. We're going to jump into that some more. Cardano's up. I don't care about Cardano. Shiba Inu's up as well, so that's pretty good. Overall, we're seeing that we've got some resistance for Bitcoin around about 60,700. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 60,178. So we've been in this tight range. Who doesn't like tight, guys? Tight. So between 57 and around about 60,700. So that's kind of like the range. So I think we're going to be accumulating a little bit more. Pretty much same story with Ethereum. Ethereum has been kind of like, kind of here, right? Around about this area seems to be where we are. Let me just paint that in. Put a line in there. Draw holes on the line. There we go. So Ethereum is just kind of like in this tight range here. So yeah, let's see what happens for Ethereum. So here we go, guys. Altcoins, bullish. We can see that in previous years, we had these parabolic moves, these parabolic curves. We're seeing that these cycles are about to repeat themselves over and over again. And it's going to happen soon, guys. And when that happens, we're going to see altcoins pop, guys. And Dogecoin is going to be part of that, guys. According to history, the Bitcoin bull run market should be starting in about 15 to 20 days, guys. So if you look at previous cycles, definitely we can see here we had this, like accumulation here. We hit this phase here, and then we had a nice positive bull run. So it looks like we could be getting started pretty soon for the bull run. Keep in mind, this time is a little bit different. We've got the elections coming up in November, so that could slow things down. But definitely after elections, we could see something to pump, guys. So let's listen. Let's listen to what Larry Fink has to say. BlackRock CEO made a big announcement regarding Bitcoin.
You have been a leader in willing to embrace crypto. You have made it so that people can be in Bitcoin. We hear that you are thinking
Remember,
about
Larry
Ethereum.
hated Bitcoin before,
These are incredible things.
Let's hear from
BlackRock is
Larry
not
Fink.
known as a gunslinger by any means. So you obviously must believe that this may be as an alternative. Is this an alternative in order to be able, because of the deficit, maybe something long-term people should have?
Absolutely.
Inverse Kramer.
As you know, I was a skeptic.
Yep.
Yes, I was a proud skeptic, and I studied it, learned about it, and I came away saying, okay, my opinion 5 years ago was wrong. Here's my opinion today. This is what I believe in today. I believe the opportunity today.
Yep.
I believe Bitcoin is legitimate.
100,000 coming.
I'm not trying to say there's not misuses like everything else, but it is a legitimate financial instrument.
He's supporting it.
That allows you to have maybe uncorrelated, non-correlated type of returns. I believe it is an instrument that you invest in when you're more frightened, though. It is an instrument when you believe that countries are debasing their currency, debasing their currency by excess deficit.
Best hedge against inflation.
And some countries are. I believe we have countries where you're frightened of your everyday existence, and if you have an opportunity to invest in something that is outside your country's control, then you can have more financial control. And so I'm a major believer that there is a role for Bitcoin in portfolios.
What do you guys think? You think there's a role for Bitcoin?
I believe you're going to see that as one of the asset classes that we all look at. Yeah. I look at it as digital gold, as I said before, and I do believe there's a real need for everyone to look at it as one alternative to, I would say, the optimism that I have in the world. If you want to hedge hope, Bitcoin is not an instrument for hope unless you're hopeful you're going to make a lot of money on it. But I look at it as a vehicle in which you're expressing your financial acumen in something that you're more frightened of the world, you're more frightened of your existence. And I believe there's a great industrial use for it. And I think a lot of people are missing that. I couldn't agree more.
So you can see that Larry Fink is a big supporter of Bitcoin, which is a big turnaround from 5 years ago when he hated Bitcoin, he was scared of Bitcoin. That's good news. We're seeing a Bitcoin balance on exchange just hit all-time low in the last 5 years. So that is pretty good. More people are taking Bitcoin off exchanges. That is very positive as well. Guys, get ready. Bitcoin Prime for a pump. Dogecoin will follow. Remember, when Bitcoin pumps, Doge will definitely follow, guys. We're seeing the exchange balances are low. Good news. September up 1.8%. Not too shabby. Take a look at Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin is just range bound. We got resistance at 10.066. And we're seeing that our bottom is right here at 0.942. So I think this is a great time to accumulate a Dogecoin. We're seeing right now the Doge is at 10 cents, up 1.57%. Pretty good. Volume is a little bit light, though. A little bit light. But guys, keep in mind, the community is positive. 71% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money versus 27% out, guys. So not too shabby. So this is some predictions. Whatever the fractional you take, first target is definitely $1. Second target, $4.20. Third target is $20, guys. So this is somebody's predicting. Crypto Universe is predicting definitely getting to $1, 2025, guys. I think it's going to happen. And you can see that Dogecoin has processed under 1.9 million transactions last week, making it the highest weekly transaction count since early July. Although we're still well below February peak, this uptick is a promising sign for the Dogecoin network, guys. So yeah, Doge is still very much alive, guys. Don't forget to get a NANO Leger, protect your crypto, and remember, this is from Calio, and he's saying, had someone asked me for a Dogecoin update, wish it was something sexy, but I still expect it'll be rather boring for the next couple of months in the range I talked about in the last posted thread. So guys, it could get boring. It could be accumulating. We could see this whole accumulation continue to November according to this fractal, and then we could have a huge blast off, guys. Don't forget Xpayments conversations coming in a second. How much more accumulation for Doge? Not much longer, maybe till November. Buy Doge, why it's still cheap, guys, and Doge just flipped positive over the 20-month simple moving average, so that's pretty good, guys. So here it is, guys. Breaking, just secured the money license transmission for Omaha. We're getting much closer to Xpayment, Doge payments on X, guys, and now we have 37 licenses, so not too many to go, guys. So this is very cool beans in the house. As we get all of them, we're going to see those payments coming pretty soon, guys. So that's it, guys. Be blessed, be well, guys. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, YB. I'll see you all in the freaking next one. Much love. Peace out.